Hello everyone. Here we have this simultaneous equation to deal with. Let's call this our equation 1 and we call this our equation 2. From equation 1 we have a plus b equals 5. And I can get equation 3 from here if I make a the subject, or better still make b the subject, so that b will be equal to 5 minus a. So this becomes equation 3, and we will still need this equation 3 as time goes on. Now, from this equation 3, where we have this, remember that we still had equation 2, ab plus 5. Sorry, ab equals 5. Now, let's put in the value of b in equation 3 into equation 2. So we have a into bracket 5 minus a, and that will be equal to 5 as well. So what am I doing? Our equation 2 is ab equals 5, right? So this a is coming out, and b now is 5 minus a. We obtained this this third equation from equation 1. So it has to be put into equation 2, right? Now open this bracket. We have 5a minus a squared equals 5. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to write this first. So we write negative a squared plus 5a. Then this comes here to become minus 5 equals 0. But we don't like having negative coefficient to start first. So we will have a squared as we multiply everything by negative 1. This will turn to negative 5a. This turns to 5, and then this becomes 0, right? So from here we have a quadratic equation and we can solve this. Okay, so the question now is, what method do we use for this? We're going to use the formula method for this. And remember that in the formula we have something like a. So I'm going to change this equation as I get x squared minus 5x plus 5 equals 0. But mind you, whatever I get for x is the value of a. I hope that is taken. Now, the formula is x equals minus b plus or minus, we have square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything over 2 times a. I'm sorry about that. So from here now, we have x to be equal to minus b, and our b is minus 5. So we have minus 5, then plus or minus, we have b squared, which will now be minus 5 in bracket squared, then minus 4 times a is 1, and c is 5. We divide all of this by 2 times 1 because a is 1. So for us to go ahead, x will be equal to 5 because negative negative is positive. Then plus or minus 5 squared will give us 25. Then minus 4 times 1 times 4 will give us 20. Okay, 4 times 1 times 5 will give us 20, and this is over 2 times 1, which is 2. To go ahead with this, our s will be equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 5. Then we have this over 2. So this is to say that our x is equal to 5. Okay, so we have plus square root of 5 over 2, or we have 5 minus square root of 5 over 2. So this becomes the true value of x. I remember that this value of x are also the same value for a, because x is standing in for the a, right? Now we need to get the value of b, and that will be from our equation 3. Okay, so b is equal to 5 minus a. So this is our equation 3 before, and it's from here that we'll get our value of b. So b will be equal to 5 minus open bracket. A is 5 plus square root of 5 over 2. Okay, this is the first value of a, right? So b now will be equal to 5 minus, okay, we have 5, then the same negative will multiply this, so we have negative square root of 5, and everything is over 2 here. From here we have our first value of b, but you can decide to find the LCM of this, or you stop at this level. And remember that when b is this, our a still remains 5 plus square root of 5 over 2. So this is what we have. Okay, so when b is this was the value of a, right? Now the next is the other value of b. Remember that b is still equal to 5 minus a, right? So now b b here should be equal to 5 minus open bracket, a now will be 5 minus square root of 5 over 2. Okay, so if this is the case, then b will be equal to 5 minus this negative will open this, so we have 5 plus square root of 5, and then this is over 2. Okay, so what are we saying? We're saying that when b is equal to this, then our a equals 5 minus square root of 5 over 2. So from here we have other value for a and b. Thank you for watching to the end, and if you love this video, you can share this video to your friends and also give me a thumb up.